Let's go, Jordan!
Watch him suck ass.
All right, we got Jordan Bender from Bellevue.
He can't turn.
What do you can't?
He doesn't have good.
No, see? See, suck a dick this part. Yeah, it sucks there.
Oh, the light.
Woo! Guys, pay attention.
We can multitask.
No, you can't.
Wrong way.
I love the light. And the fact it's still
Jordan, come on.
And I'm giving him so much shit for that.
I'm putting my ass on the line for cheering for his ass right now, okay? People are judging us.
Jordan Bender coming
Woo!
through the middle. Little squirrely there.
Oh, come on, babe. Let's go. Shit's falling off.
He's like, what fucking
Which? Woo!
It went over those bumps pretty good though.
Why is he gonna be a rule breaker?
I think he is.
I don't know.
We'll see.
I think he's a rule breaker.
Final turn.
Oh, he is gonna follow.
Yeah.
I am so surprised. Woo! Oh, look at that. Like, landing.
He was a follower.
He
Look
did
at
good.
that.
He did good.
What's the score?
77.782 seconds
He
for
did the
Jordan.
big jump.
I did. How many feet?
36 feet.